For this DIY project, we're going to be using a piece of 1x4. It measures 3.5 inches, but it's called a 1x4. And we're cutting it into 3 5.5-inch pieces. So we're going to start by taking our top piece, because what we're going to make is a cute little patriotic book stack. And we're going to start by painting this white. Okay, so now we have our pieces painted, and our blue piece, which is going to be our bottom piece, is going to be painted on the bottom, left blank here, a little bit here, and then the sides are painted. Then we have our middle piece, which is going to be open on both sides and then painted on the edges. And then we have our top piece, which is going to be open on the bottom side and painted on the top side. And we are going to add some red stripes to this block here. And to do that, I think I'm going to use this blue painter's tape. And then we're just going to paint them red. All right, so now we have that done. We have our stripes on there, so that's good. So now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry a little bit further, and I'm going to then distress my stripes. Or, you know what, let's just put it together. Well, first off, let's do this, because we're going to let that dry. But I want to add a little bit of stain to this one around the edge, because I'm going to be putting something on top of it, and I want it to be kind of distressed. And to do that, I think what I'm going to do is do a dry brush in this kind of brown color. Yeah, that's what we'll do. I was going to use stain, but then one of the steps that we're going to do, it won't work with. So we're going to take and just dry brush the edges. All right. And I also added some of the red and the blue to the brown, and I think that looks so good. I wanted it all to kind of blend but be rustic. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pieces out and I'm going to distress them. So let's get that done, and then we'll continue on and finish up our project. All right, so now we have our pieces distressed and stained. And now we're just going to put them together with some glue. Now I'm going to be using a mixture of a little bit of hot glue, just a tiny tad, and some wood glue. And I'm going to be using this. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that now. And now that they've dried, we're going to embellish them. And I'm going to be using some white stars I printed out in a permanent white vinyl. And I'll have these listed in my shop, these little decals with the, and then it's going to say stars and stripes in a permanent white vinyl. And I'll have those listed for you in case you want to replicate one yourself and you don't have a vinyl cutter. And I'm just going to put my stars down here on the bottom. All right, and once we have our decals on, we have what looks like this. I think that looks so cute. Now, I'm going to take mine out and I'm going to give it 3 good coats of the Rust-Oleum clear coat in a satin. So let's get that done, then we'll finish it up with a few little embellishments.